In this video, we will learn how to design a professional envelope in Adobe Illustrator step by step. First, we will discuss the envelope size. Since I am designing a regular envelope, the size will be 9 inches in width and 4 inches in height. To begin, select the rectangle tool and click anywhere on the artboard. Enter the width as 9 inches and the height as 4 inches. This rectangle will represent the front side of the envelope. Next, we will create the back side by drawing another rectangle with a width of 9 inches and a height of 3.5 inches. And place it below the front side. Using the direct selection tool, select these two corner points. Click on Scale tool. Slightly move these points inward using the Scale tool. Then, gently round the left and right corners to give the back side a smooth and professional look. After that, we will create the top flap of the envelope. For this, draw a rectangle with a width of 9 inches and a height of 1.5 inches. Place it on top of the front side. Using the direct selection tool, select the two top corner points of the flap. Click on Scale tool. Slightly move these points inward using the Scale tool. Then, round the top left and right corners by dragging them gently to give the flap a smooth and professional look. Next, we will design the joiner on the both sides of envelope. Again, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle with a width of 1 inch and a height of 4 inches. Place this rectangle on the left side of the envelope front. Using the direct selection tool, select these two corner points of the flap. Click on Scale tool. Slightly move these points inward using the Scale tool. Then round them slightly. Duplicate this flap. Move it to the right side of the envelope front. Flip it horizontally and align it properly. The basic structure of envelope is ready. One important thing to remember is that an envelope first goes through the printing process, then it moves to the folding process, and after that it goes to the pasting process. While designing, we must keep this workflow in mind. The envelope is printed in an open, flat layout. Then specific areas are folded inward. And finally, the flaps are pasted together to form a final envelope shape. That is why, in the design, some parts are meant to be cut from certain areas and folded from specific lines, so that after folding and pasting, the envelope looks clean, accurate, and professionally finished. Now, we will create the safe zone for text and logo placement. Select the front side rectangle. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Apply an offset of -0.25 inches. Turn on Preview to check the result. Click OK. Right-click on the new rectangle and select Make Guides. This creates a safe area where text and logos can be placed securely for printing. After that, right-click again, choose Lock Guides, so the safe area does not move while designing. Now, let's move on to the design. Draw a rectangle. Fill it with black color. Using the direct selection tool, select this corner point and move it slightly backward. Duplicate this shape. Flip it horizontally and vertically. Change its color. Select these 2 points. While holding Shift, move them slightly forward. This will create a clean and modern design element for the front side of the envelope. Finally, place the logo and company name first, followed by the remaining information. I have already written contact information to save the time. First, place logo, hospital name, and tagline. Group them. Align them to center. Now place the doctor's name and address here. Next, add the phone number and email address. Change their color to white so they remain clearly visible. With eyedropper tool, change the top flap color. The envelope design is now complete, and you can customize it according to your needs. If you only want to design the front side of the envelope, simply create an artboard with a size of 9 by 4 inches. Design the front side within this artboard according to your layout and branding requirements. You do not need to draw the full envelope structure or flaps. The printing press already has the envelope die-cut size, so they will print the design in the correct position based on the standard envelope dimensions. As long as your front side design follows the correct size and safe margins, the printing press will handle the alignment, cutting, folding, and pasting according to the envelope die line. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more design tutorials.